Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. Imagine transferring $2.4 million worth of real estate from your business, thinking it's yours to use, only to receive a massive tax bill later. That's exactly what happened in Greer versus the King. The CRA initially assessed the wrong tax year, corrected it, and then reassessed an older year that was considered closed. Now you may ask, how did that happen? See, the taxpayer's lack of professional tax planning gave CRA an opportunity. Let's break this case down and explore key takeaways that help business owners avoid costly tax mistakes. Hey everyone, I'm Aman and I'm a CPA who helps business owners manage their taxes and cash flow effectively. I know taxes can feel overwhelming, but I simplify real cases like this so you can apply these lessons for your business. Let's dive in. Mr. Greer transferred 4 properties worth $2.4 million from his corporation and left them out of his tax return, surprisingly. The CRA initially reassessed his 2006 tax year, but later determined that 2005 was the correct year. Even though 2005 was outside the standard reassessment period, the CRA still reopened it due to a misrepresentation caused by negligence from the taxpayer. The judge ruled out that not consulting a tax professional before filing a tax return has reflected a lack of reasonable care, which allowed the CRA to reassess a statute-barred year. You see, when dealing with corporate assets, tax planning ensures proper compliance. The CRA does consider whether business owners should have been aware of the tax rules. And when large transactions occur, tax knowledge plays a key role in avoiding reassessments. Mr. Greer stated that he believed the properties were a tax-free inheritance from his father's estate. You see, the tax issue arose because the properties were owned by the corporation and not his father personally. This created a shareholder benefit, triggering tax under Section 15, subsection 1 of the Income Tax Act. Now, understanding ownership structure is important when receiving property from family. Business owners who are benefiting from an estate could clarify whether the property was personally owned or it was part of a corporation, what the fair market value was at the time of transfer, and whether there are documents from the final tax return that confirm the cost details. A personally inherited property has different tax treatment from the one which is transferred through a corporation. Knowing the distinction helps avoid unexpected tax consequences. You see, another critical aspect of this case involved corporate records. Unfortunately, Mr. Greer was listed in the corporate share register, and the court used this as a proof that he received a shareholder benefit. Keeping corporate documents updated allows business owners to ensure accurate shareholder records. And it also helps maintain proper tax reporting for corporate transactions and avoid expensive tax disputes regarding ownership and tax treatments. You see, transferring assets from a corporation creates tax implications, and planning helps manage them effectively. Understanding whether an asset is personally inherited or business related determines how it is taxed. Organized corporate records strengthen tax compliance and reduce legal risks. You see, this case highlights the importance of clear tax planning and record keeping. Business decisions involving corporate assets should align with proper tax strategies to prevent costly reassessments from the Canada Revenue Agency. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe for